How does differential diagnosis prevent misdiagnosis? Imagine trying to find your way through a maze where many paths look similar. That's what diagnosing multiple sclerosis can feel like, because many other conditions can mimic its symptoms. Differential diagnosis is like having a detailed map that helps doctors avoid dead ends and wrong turns. It's a systematic process that ensures the diagnosis of multiple sclerosis is only made when other possible explanations are thoroughly ruled out. This is crucial because misdiagnosing someone with multiple sclerosis can lead to unnecessary treatments and emotional distress. The process begins with a detailed clinical assessment. Doctors gather a full medical history, asking about the pattern of symptoms, how often they occur, and what parts of the body are affected. They look for typical signs of multiple sclerosis, such as episodes of neurological problems that happen at different times and affect different areas of the nervous system. For example, if someone has a single episode of numbness that resolves quickly, it might not be multiple sclerosis. Instead, it could be something else like a migraine or a nerve compression. Next, clinicians apply established diagnostic criteria, like the McDonald criteria. These criteria requiring evidence that lesions in the brain or spinal cord are spread out in both time and space. This means that MRI scans must show lesions in different parts of the central nervous system and at different times. Proper interpretation of MRI images is key because nonspecific lesions can sometimes be mistaken for multiple sclerosis. Advanced MRI techniques, such as looking for the central vein sign, can help distinguish true multiple sclerosis lesions from other types of brain lesions caused by vascular issues or other conditions. Laboratory tests also play a vital role. Analyzing cerebrospinal fluid for oligoclonal bands can support the diagnosis because these are often present in multiple sclerosis. However, their absence doesn't rule out the disease, and their presence isn't exclusive to multiple sclerosis. If test results don't fit the typical pattern, doctors consider other conditions like neuromyelitis optica, Lyme disease, or vitamin deficiencies. Doctors also watch for red flags, features that suggest another diagnosis. For example, symptoms that don't follow the typical pattern of multiple sclerosis or test results that don't match the disease's profile prompt further investigation. Sometimes, a multidisciplinary team, including neuroradiologists and MIS specialists, reviews complex cases to improve accuracy. By carefully combining clinical evaluation, imaging, laboratory testing, and expert consultation, differential diagnosis helps prevent misdiagnosis of multiple sclerosis. It ensures that only those who truly meet the criteria receive a misdiagnosis, avoiding unnecessary treatments and focusing on the correct condition. This thorough approach respects the complexity of neurological diseases and emphasizes the importance of personalized, evidence-based care. Always remember, if you or someone you know is undergoing evaluation for neurological symptoms, consulting healthcare professionals is essential for an accurate diagnosis and appropriate treatment plan.